Hey guys, how's it going? It's Thursday today, and it's a horrible, wet, rainy, yucky, hideous day in Vancouver, and I'm not going out in it. I'm not even going on the balcony. Mostly because I'm sweaty right now because I just came in from the stairwells, and I just don't feel like going outside in the cold while I'm sweaty. But yeah, I just didn't feel like going out in the rain and getting completely soaked. And I'm kind of low on time today too, so I decided to just go climb the stairwells a bunch of times. And for anybody who's new here, what I do is I just go to the stairwells in my high-rise apartment building and climb 20 floors 8 times. Take the elevator down. So I climb up, take the elevator down, climb up, take the elevator down. Takes me about 45 minutes, and it's a great workout. I get really sweaty and out of breath while I'm doing it, so it's good. Anyway, so I'm here today to talk to you guys about a new book that's out that I just read. I heard that Mike Geary, my favorite guy, one of my favorite guys, has got a new book out, so I emailed him to see if he'd send it to me so I could read it and let you guys know if it's any good. And this book is not a workout book. It is a nutrition book, 100% nutrition, and I'm here to tell you, I love it. It's called Fat Burning Kitchen. It's fan-flippantastic. I mean, this is the guy that single-handedly changed the way I think about food and the way I eat and the things that I now refuse to put into my body because now I know what goes into making them and producing them, processing them, and anyway, you guys, I highly recommend this book for anybody in the world who's interested in being healthier or burning fat or just wants to make sure that they eat the right things for their body. I mean, there's a lot of foods out there that so-called foods, right, that we put into our bodies that I think do us a lot of harm over the long term, in the short term, and just on a cellular level just aren't good for us. And I think a lot of people believe that they're okay to eat even once in a while. Man, you guys have got to read this book because he basically lays it all out, 100%, all the different kinds of foods out there, from energy drinks and energy bars to whole natural organic food. And do you have to eat organic all the time? The answer is no. So, I mean, he's not a militant either, but he's really bang on the money. So I can't say enough good things about this book. Like I said, he changed the way that I eat and the way I view food and the way I consume as well, like timing-wise, like how often I consume and that kind of thing. So I didn't really have a whole lot to say about myself today, just that this book is 100% worth it at any price at all. So I'm putting a link here somewhere. It's probably down there, and probably I'll put it on the sidebar too, because it's now one of my new favorite books. And if you guys want to get it, you can just click on the link and you can get it there. So anyway, check out Fat Burning Kitchen by Mike Geary, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. But I'm low on time today, so I gotta rock. And so we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.